This video is how to adjust and wind up a watch that requires a key. These are all antique watches, so you see on the front of the camera. I will show you this one with, all right, this one is Waltham, requires a key. This particular watch is 1860. Okay, so in this situation, for demonstration, I have this key, size 4. Every watch has a different, I don't know if in the same model can be a different size, can be 3 or 4 or, you know. So usually one of these stack of keys like this one, you can buy them very cheap, I think $10-15. They call them a pocket watch keys. eBay or somewhere have them for like $10-15. All, they come like a 12 or some, from 0 to 12, I think. And some of these, I only have few because I use them, the rest. Anyway, so very easy how to adjust, how to wind this watch is very easy. You just open up the back, okay? And here's the key. And this one uses size 4. So you go, put it in there. And, all right, so once you do that, you wind up the watch. Then you go in front, open up the front. And then use the same key again. Then you put the key. Now it's a square, the tip of in the middle of the watch has a square tip, and the key itself is a square hole. So you line them together, and it's how it moves. I move the hand of the large hand moves, start moving, and you adjust the timing. And simple as that. There you go. Close it back. And all right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Thank you. Bye-bye.